Whether you like Trump, Biden, Bernie, Kanye, or even Logan Paul for president, the fact of the matter is no matter who is in charge of the White House, you can still make money in the market if you know where to look. Midterm elections are coming up on the 8th of this month, and seats in both the Senate and House are up for grabs. Democrats versus Republicans, but as a stock trader, I'm not here to tell you which side to vote for. What I can do is tell you some good stocks to look at if the Democrats win or if the Republicans win. What's going on, Penny boys and gals? It's Matt here, also known as What the Duck on the PB Discord. So starting the Democrats, a win for them would be good for the electric vehicle sector. So our first stock is ChargePoint, CHPT. President Biden's bipartisan infrastructure law includes a total of $7.5 billion to build out a nationwide network of 500,000 electric vehicle chargers, which is good news for ChargePoint because they are the largest online network of independently owned EV charging stations, and they make the technology used in the charging station. They had a quarterly revenue increase of 90% year over year and an annual revenue increase of 65% year over year, which shows financial growth both short and longer term. They are currently the 4th largest charging company in the United States and are working on upgrading their systems to compete with EVgo. Next is Curaleaf Holdings, CURLF. Marijuana legalization is one of the hottest topics surrounding the Democratic Party. Curaleaf is a holding company that operates in the cannabis industry. This is an over-the-counter stock, meaning it's not tradable on the United States Stock Exchange due to cannabis not being federally legalized. Do you want to learn how to trade OTC stocks? Check out our free OTC 101 class. You can find the link to that in the description of this video. Curaleaf has incredibly high potential for profit in a democratic market and has a broader reach and high growth potential in the US market versus many other cannabis related stocks in the New York Stock Exchange that are mainly overseas and sector related stocks. More and more states are legalizing cannabis, and President Biden called for pardons on convictions related to cannabis as well as review of its status as a controlled substance. Lastly, we have Cleveland Hills, CLF. They became the largest integrated steel maker in the United States over the last year, with upwards of $100 billion designated to infrastructure from President Biden's infrastructure bill. Expect a steel demand increase of 100% or more over the next decade. They have a 90% analyst hold or buy rating and average price targets in the $22 to $27 range. Now, if the Republicans win, we're looking at Walmart, WMT, to see an uptick in stock price based off of past patterns. However, regardless, Walmart seems to be looked at as a safeguard against economic uncertainty as they boosted their dividends consistently for the past 50 years. Republicans love the Second Amendment, as does Smith & Wesson, SWBI. They create, distribute, and produce weapons globally. It's trading at a better value than its peers in terms of price to earnings ratio, and is also at a discount compared to the industry average. Lockheed Martin, LMT, is an industry leader in the defense sector. Just like Smith & Wesson, defense stocks tend to do better when Republicans are running the show, as they often call for an increase in the defense budget. President Biden has made it clear that if China were to attack Taiwan, the US would step in to assist Taiwan, which would be good news for Lockheed Martin. Be sure to check out our streams where our stock analysts go over these stocks in details and others they are looking to play off of the midterm election. We also have a blog write-up as well on our website. I'll leave the links to all that in the description of this video. I hope to see you in our free trading Discord, but until then, as always, I hope that you all make some bread.